Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be discussing the difference between the pirated window and the genuine copy of the Windows Store. Stay tuned with the video. In this video, there will be a little surprise for you. You have to wait for the end of this video. I will announce that surprise for you. Let's discuss the differences between both of the copies. Here are for the genuine copy of the window. You get regular security updates, on-call support from Microsoft, no annoying activation notification, full feature of Windows, maintain hardware and data integrity for your safety. In pirated Windows, you download from third-party websites which can have many bugs in them, which can be very dangerous for you. I am using Windows 10 which is activated, but it is a copy which is pirated. I will show you how. See here Windows is activated. Now I have pirated this window and let me show you the updates from the Microsoft. I go to settings, Windows update, view update history. You can see I have downloaded updates and installed them. See all of them. You can see here that I have installed a pirated window and I am getting the genuine updates from the Windows official support program. So that's how. I will tell you in the next upcoming video how to activate your window with free of cost and get support from the Windows. So stay tuned with my channel, subscribe to my channel if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and do share with your friends to let them know this trick in the upcoming video. Thanks.